Welcome to the fun part of your class. We are now in Module 4 where you get to experiment with some block coding. Your first step is to go to scratch.mit.edu and join Scratch. You're going to want to make sure you write down your information because you will have to come back in here. Okay? Next, you are going to sign into your Scratch account. Step 1, right-click and pin that. It's going to be over here. It's going to stay there, okay? The next thing you're doing is clicking on this link. All right. Yours is just going to open up when you click it, hopefully. All right. And this is your direction, okay? So you're going to click on Start and watch this video. All right, this video is going to take you through a number of steps. So once I watch the video, I'm going to go back to you can also pin this guy, right click pin, and then they're going to be over here. You can go back and forth, okay? So the end of the video is going to tell you to go through a starter project over here. I'm telling you, do not do that. Okay, we're going to come back over to Scratch and hit create. We're going to create a new project. Okay. This is called a sprite, but you'll know that from watching your video. I'm going to delete this sprite, coming down here to this icon, going up to letters, and I'm going to start looking for letters for my project that I want to run. Right now, I'm going to make it as quick as possible. I guess not quite as quick as possible because I'm spelling a word. Okay, and I've got one more. Come up here and over here. Okay, and we look, and it's a disaster. So I'm going to click and drag. I'm going to put my letters where I want them. This might be your name if you're following the tutorial, right? And so I would say, hey, how are you? I'm great. Okay, so once I have my letters over there in my sandbox, I'm going to come over here and see which 4 features I want to use. Do I want my letters to spin, to grow and shrink, to change colors, bounce, wave? I've got all kinds of options. Okay, maybe I want them to wave. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to watch this video. I'm going to listen, pause, go back to Scratch and try it. Come back here, play it, hear my directions. Then I'm going to pause, I'm going to come back over to Scratch, and I'm going to try it out. Okay, you definitely want to make sure that you are saving your projects. Okay. And here is my project right here. All right. So I would click on this, right click, copy, and then I would send it to upload. All right. I think that's it. If you have any questions about this activity, please feel free to email me.